Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking fresh lime juice, some big old juicy cherries, and we are making the most refreshing cherry limeade ever. It comes together really easy and it's pretty quick too, so let's go. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is juice our limes. I have my little juicer here. I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze this out. I'm using like 1 1/4 cup of lime juice. So yeah, this is a tart cherry limeade. I'm gonna add my lime juice into a small little pot. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of, where's that at? Where's that right there? That sugar. We're gonna make like a lime simple syrup or like a lime concentrate, because normally, you know, when I make this, I would use like the frozen lime concentrate, but I kind of like to, you know, do my own little thing. So we're gonna make up our own, and when it's nice and syrupy like this, it's ready. Go ahead and let it cool off, and then we're gonna pour this right into our pitcher. I love this pitcher. Ain't it cute? I just love it. It's just so, I don't know, I just like it. Yeah, go ahead and pour that in there. Okay, looks good. And next we're gonna move on to our cherries. Cherries are so pretty and bright. Use the kind that does not have the stems on them in the jar. Yeah, use that kind. Go ahead and dump your cherry juice and your cherries in there. Be careful because, man, I was making a mess with this stuff. Oh my God, I was being so messy with it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our lemon lime soda. You can use whatever brand you want to. There's so many like natural lemon lime sodas with like the pure cane sugar, all that kind of good stuff. I'm using Sprite, okay, because I like Sprite. So you can use any kind of lemon lime soda that you want. Go ahead and pour that into your pitcher. Let it settle down a little bit, because I took one stir and this thing almost like overflowed. So look at that. I was like, no, but it like stopped. It didn't, you know, spill over. But yeah, give it a stir, but just be careful because yeah, you don't want to make a huge mess. And now I'm gonna add in my tart cherry juice. This is optional. If you don't want to add the tart cherry juice, that's fine. But I just wanted to have a more stronger cherry flavor, so I added that cherry juice. And now we're done. Just a really super easy, refreshing cherry limeade that tastes so fresh. You can taste the cherries, you can taste the lime, you know, it's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.